Hello YouTube hearts, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to new subscribers on my channel. Are you still watching the vlog? Then don't forget to subscribe. Here comes the new alert, the first neon themed dining at Namma, Bengaluru, which is at SahakarNagar. The Bunkers Underground Bar, a discreet new retro bar for Bengaluru Urbanite. Dripping red with absolute classy fun walk down. The steps for unbeatable experience of dark, delicious underground. You should make a point to visit the place. The ambience is pretty good, perfect setup for great evening chill out with your friends and family. Good food, good mood, dining under neon lights at Bunkers. Funky fixed seating, colorful vibrant ambience, fresh and modern quickery electric interior designs. Idea for restaurant was good. You can also choose this place for celebrating your events like birthday parties, anniversary parties and the bachelorette parties with the amazing table setup. They have live screening of sports, dance floor, live bar counter serving fresh mocktails and cocktails. The Bunkers Bar Kitchen serves the Andhra North Indian Chinese cuisine. You can also look out on Dineout Pay combo of any offer with Dineout Pay to save up to 5% more on your bill. I got a question from my Instagram follower asking why do I capture bar counters. This is to tell this opportunity to capture and create super efficient hygienic workflow with different serving style of each pubs, improving the speed of the service, boosting and turnover the employee productivity. This also makes us satisfied when we see the video which carries a big smile on them. Coming to foods, the service was great with reasonable price. We ordered chicken pizza, fresh garlic bread, paneer tikka with served fresh cocktail and one mocktail. On my YouTube shorts, I have posted a mini video on Malvan Tadka, which is next to the bunker attached restaurant which serves seafood at reasonable price starting from 350 rupees. Look into my description for more details. If you already visited the place, then don't forget to comment below, like, share and subscribe for more content videos like this. Signing off, stay tuned, bye bye.